For my 13th birthday, I made a presentation to convince my parents to get Vivint. 5 days later, it ended up saving our house. My name is Reece. This is my story.
Vivint caught my eye because it wasn't just security, it was also smart home. When we got Vivint, we only got the smart features. We really didn't think we'd need the smoke detectors.
On February 5th, I was working from home when I smelled smoke in my bedroom, so I walked over to the laundry room and saw that the dryer was on fire. I panicked, went to the middle of the kitchen, and I started screaming for Reece.
Reece, there's a fire. So I got up and ran out into the kitchen. I saw a lot of black smoke.
And Reece immediately just went to the Vivint panel, hit the emergency button, thank God, and I screamed for Reece to go get help.
I ran out of the house through the front door. I tried to call 911, but my phone died.
When I got to the front of the house, Reece and I realized that we couldn't find Hank, my dog.
He's still in the house. So I ran to the front door and immediately opened it up.
And we tried to call for Hank, but he didn't come.
Hank was so scared, I had to pull him out of the house.
Literally, as we walked outside and, we realized that this event was going on, that our house is on fire, the fire department's coming, I looked at Reece and said, Reece, thank you so much for getting the Vivint. We got Vivint for the tech, but we never realized it would save our home. And that's why I'll always be a Vivint customer.